When hormone imbalances kick in, it can be extremely debilitating and it can manifest in a myriad of different ways, from skin breakouts to weight gain, unruly periods, and feeling like you're on an emotional roller coaster day in and day out. And the most debilitating thing of all is not knowing what exactly is going on, because quite often we head off to our GP, well-meaning, going to get our blood tests to check out our hormones. And how often do things come back completely normal? And then we're back to square one, not knowing what to do, completely overwhelmed and confused, but feeling terrible, knowing that something's wrong, but just not knowing what to do. So I want to introduce with you the Balance Babe Colon Cleanse. Now, this is an incredible, easy to follow protocol that you have free access to, unlimited training videos, lots of content, eating plan, and specific recommendations for the most powerful supplements that you can use to powerfully cleanse your colon. Now, when your colon is congested, not only does it overwhelm the liver, and that has a detrimental effect on our hormones, we don't have the ability to burn fat effectively. When we're toxic through the colon, we'll also start to eliminate our toxins through our skin, leading to skin breakouts and skin allergies and rashes and all sorts of things. So the Balance Babe Colon Cleanse protocol is exactly where you should start, whether you've got painful periods, weight gain, hormonal migraines, or all sorts of things, thyroid imbalances, polycystic ovarian syndrome, endometriosis, and all things. This is the perfect place to start no matter where you are in your health journey, because it is an non-negotiable step that must be done if you want to get your body to a state of healing. So dive in and register for this free program, and you'll have the option to purchase amazing products that can support you on your cleanse and help you to get back in balance and feel your best really, really quickly. As part of this protocol, you will receive free eating plans, free instructions, free demonstration videos, so you have no excuse but to dive in and get started and jump in and do it with a friend as soon as possible.